Shalom! Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a favorites video. So we're going to have a little bit of beauty, a little bit of lifestyle. We're just going to have a chat about my favorites. So if you want to see what I got to say, keep on watching. So once upon a time, I was what we call a bowl cut baby. But then I grew into what we call a mullet child. Now, this mullet phase lasted for a very long time, up until my high school years, until I saw this product, the niacin and caffeine root stimulator spray. Now, I have bought this twice, and I never buy anything more than once. And I really like it because it gives me my little mermaid locks, prevents things from falling out, even though I do have hair fall out on the daily, but it keeps it in there, keeps it growing, keeps it strong. Highly recommend. For our second product, we're going to be talking about the Eye Image Skincare Balancing Facial Cleanser. I really like this product for your skin. I really don't like this product for carry-on because my little friend has ruined 2 of my luggages now. So I do recommend it for at-home use. Definitely not on travel, but it really lathers up very nicely. It doesn't leave my skin dry, and I had a little bit of a breakout a couple months back, and it's really helped clear me out. I have pretty nice skin now, and I use it every single day and night. I really enjoy it, and I highly recommend it. So our next one is going to be Miss Paula's Choice Skin Balancing All Absorbing Mask. This one is it's when I'm bringing out the big guns. So like, when I've had a particularly bad breakout where I feel one coming on, like the little vibration underneath your skin and you're just kind of like, what's coming? What is that? That's when I bring her out. She's in and out real quick, and when you put her on, it dries everything up. Nothing's coming through. Nothing's gonna peek out. She's a good one. Next product. For our next product, it is the Piper Y Natural Deodorant, and before you say ew, it does actually work. Unlike other natural deodorants that get a bad rep, I used this one for about 2 months, stole it from my boyfriend's man subscription box, and so I do smell like a little handsome boy, but it does work, and I highly recommend it for someone who is trying to switch from commercial to natural deodorants. Back to the makeup. We have the Urban Decay Beached Eyeshadow Palette here, and let me just give you a little sneaky peeky. Bam. But it does have amazing shades for such a small palette. This is their exclusive summer palette, I think. It's pretty new to me. I got it for my birthday, but I really do love the shades in it. It has such pretty shimmer shades and such like warm tones and cool tones. I really like how they blended it all together. It doesn't have that many matte shades, but I just like it for a shimmer palette. It's really pretty, and I can see me using it all summer long. For our next product, it is the Iconic London Brow Cushion. Now, I know you haven't seen what my real eyebrows look like, but they are non-existent. They are gone. This is all the brow cushion. I have only the brow cushion to thank for these little caterpillars. Our next product is the Gravity Blanket. In case you don't know how it works, it's about a 12-pound blanket. It compresses the nervous system, so it keeps you a lot more calm. It's supposed to give you a better night's rest, and we all know that I am an anxious little being. So I bought it to calm myself down a little bit, and it really does work. I feel a lot more calmer when I use it, and it gives me a really good night's rest, and I feel so comfy cozy in it. Alright, that is it. Those were all the products today. Please let me know in the comments down below if you like these types of videos. I can definitely do them monthly if you guys want. And as always, if you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. I will see you next time. I'm out.